Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are doing great. You know what? I have a friend who is very excited to meet you all today. So let's call him. Hello, everyone. I am Harry. Hello, Harry. Oh, I forgot to tell you my name. My name is Ishwarya. And what is your name? Nice name. Your mama must be having a name. Your father's name. If you have a pet, your pet's name. I also have something for you. What is its name? Lemon. Good. It also has a name. So, everything that is around us has a name. So, today I'm going to play a quick game with you all. Are you all excited? For this game, I've collected a lot of things for you. It's a guessing game. I will show you something and you have to quickly tell me its name. But there is a rule in this game. You have to tell me the beginning sound of that thing. For example, what is this? It's a cup. What is the beginning sound of this thing? Cup. So you will say cup. Good. So let's start. Bottle. Beginning sound. Bottle. Soap. Bulb. You know this? Lemon. You are doing good. Good. Glass. Lock. Comb. Brush. Brush. Spoon. I have a picture of something. What is this? Igloo. Igloo. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. Something very tasty. Toffee. Stapler. This you use very often. Remote. Pen. Toy. Scissor. Key. Pencil. Now you have to be a little faster. Tape. Plate. Basket. Cup. Juice. Juice. And what is this? Watch. Watch. And this? Nose. Umbrella. Back. Zip. Door. Fan. So students, you did really well. Good job. Now students, you have to send me your video in which you will tell me your name, your mother's name, your father's name, and if you have a pet, your pet's name. Thank you. Take care. Bye.